in ages, and this week Mike and I are going on holiday, but in England. So we're going to Cornwall for the week. Well, it's not really a staycation because it's 6 hours away.
But it's still in our same country, so.
It is. We're heading to Cornwall, which I'm actually very, very, very excited about because I have actually been once before when I was 10, but I don't really remember it. And it's one of the most beautiful places in England. So I believe, having seen pictures.
I mean, apparently they've got good pasties and they do really great.
I'm very excited for a Cornish pasty or 2 or 5. We are going to the Lizard Coast, it's like the bottom, southeast bottom bit of Cornwall. I think it's like the most southerny bit. Is that right?
The most southerny.
The most southerny bit. That's a technical term, guys. Better believe it. We are 1 hour into our
5.5 hour journey.
Well, it's 5.5 hours, but we're stopping halfway because we have little one is sleeping in the back there, and we're breaking it up for lunch because she would not last for 5.5 hours.
No matter how much Peppa Pig we put on, that ain't gonna work.
She's never seen Peppa Pig.
She might today.
We might have to.
I didn't download it.
We might have to resort to YouTube, which we have never done.
No, she's up. I've downloaded the film Up.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, she quite like that, maybe.
I thought she quite liked that.
And I can enjoy that in the back with her.
Exactly.
Anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. We are stopping at the Pig at Combe in Devon, just outside Exeter. Or I think that's in Devon, isn't it? I feel like my English geography is really terrible. And we are due to arrive there in 1 hour and 50 minutes. I'm hungry already.
Yeah, see, my dilemma was I wanted a coffee a second ago, but
did you?
The last service station was in Costa, and I didn't want a Costa.
Costa coffee is actually good. The food is bad, but the coffee is good.
Not convinced. And the other problem is obviously because she's sleeping right now. If we stop moving, will she then wake up?
Yes, she will.
So
unless
basically,
you like leave the car running and run out.
No, I'm going to have to drop you off. You're going to have to go in
and drive round.
The car park.
I'm on the coffee run, guys, and hoping she doesn't wake up. Quick. It did not work, guys. She is awake back there. Yeah. Oh dear. Let's see how far we get before she starts kicking off. At the moment she's playing with her toys and it's all good, but I think we probably got about half an hour.
Proceed to the route. Let's proceed to the route.
Let's proceed to the route. So I'm now in the back, sat in the middle. I've been doing some children's entertaining. We've made it. We have made it to our halfway house. We are stopping at the Pig. I've told you that already. It looks amazing. Just wait until we go around this corner. Look how beautiful, guys, even though it's pretty rubbishy weather. Starters have arrived. Pork belly, crackling, taramasalata, one happy driver. So our mains have arrived. I got courgette and courgette flowers and scallops. Mike got the duck, which little one is trying to steal. And some potatoes. So yummy. Possibly the most beautiful house and the most delicious lunch. I didn't vlog yesterday because we got here quite late and little one started throwing down, but we've come for a walk. What's it called, Jack? The Lizard Point at the very bottom of Cornwall. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And sweaty because it's actually really, really lovely weather as well. And with this lot, we've just been sitting on top of there taking photos. I was a bit scared, just saying. Brian Chip?
This is first capacity actual.
We've come to pretty much deserted beach for a barbecue. Look how beautiful this is. The guys just went in and had a swim. Got a little barbecue on the go. James is getting dressed. Lucky for you guys, he ain't naked anymore. Officially fallen in love with Cornwall. I'm so proud. Who's driving, Mike?
Hooray! Oh! Delicious.
Skimming stones, come on MDF. We don't have all the time in the world here. Come on, Mike. Are we ready? That's a big one. That's bold. Go. Oh my god, you're such a comedian. I can't contain myself. Okay, he's ready. Three, average. It's day 2, second day barbecuing. This time in the garden rather than on the beach. Check this out. I mean, chefs Jack and James nailed the chicken. Nice work, sir. Nice work. Sweet potato.
I think this has been team effort.
I mean, Sophie had the salads nailed as well.
Sophie did the slaw along.
Sweet potato, coleslaw,
And the apple.
watercress. This is Mike's seat with the bread. Looking good. It's day 3 in Cornwall, and I'm hoping you can hear this because it's super windy up here. We've come to Rinsey Head for a walk. Mike's here with Bugsy. Iris is in the old mine, having a beautiful walk. What a Wednesday. Sadly, the sun has now gone in, but we're on the beach. Mike's taking himself very seriously here with some sandcastle building. Sophie's joining him, and I think this is going to be the best sandcastle I've ever seen, I think. It's looking impressive so far. Bugs is asleep in her buggy. Are you ready for this, guys? Here's the entryway to the spectacular sandcastle and the piece de resistance on top. Mike is putting the feather flag. I mean, I'm very impressed with that, guys. Age 32 and 28. So we've come down to the old Coastguard in Mousehole after picking up our lobster. How cool is this, guys? Pub garden of dreams.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
So beautiful. And we've got pork scratching. This is actually the best pork scratching I think I've ever had. It's really delicious. And oysters, fresh from the sea. We've taken a bit of a detour and we've come to St Michael's Mount. We're going to walk across there. Sorry if the sound is bad. We're going to go and check out this badass castle. Looks cool, huh? This is amazing, guys. It's like walking into real life Harry Potter. This is the view from the top, guys. You look over the edge. All gardens. So beautiful. This awesome dining room. Have some good sessions around this table. I found the best thing in the castle, guys. It's an Egyptian mummified cat. Apparently. I mean, I thought it was going to say a mummified arm. I'm glad it's not an arm. So it's our last day in Cornwall, sad times, guys, but we've come to Porthleven for a little bit of a wander around, hopefully an ice cream. We're on the hunt for ice cream. Look at this pub, it's so beautiful. This is where we are. It's actually very, very busy as well. And it's super cute. I'll show you when we get past these cars because you'll probably get a better look. This is the little port. Super cute. Got the ice cream. And we are leaving to go home in about an hour and a half. Sad times. So we are back from Cornwall. I'm actually in my PJs. We got back last night and we've just been doing admin today. On a side note, I've been trying out the new NARS mascara and it runs. Sad times. Mike is working. Just wanted to come on and say, or like finish the vlog by saying, I hope you all enjoyed this little sneak peek at our Cornish adventure. I bloody loved Cornwall. I thought it was
the
so
pasties,
beautiful.
The cream,
the pasties,
the butter,
everything. I think
milk.
we basically rolled out of Cornwall.
Yeah. I've basically given myself a heart attack this last few days. So it's nice to come back and have a healthy roast dinner.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you again very soon. Excuse me looking dishevelled. We've been...
Something's never changed.
I mean, I blame the mascara, but let's face it, it's just everything. It's a day of washing and house stuff.
Bare
Admin. See you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Look at this little face. Piglet. It's like, don't you leave me again, I'll kill you.